I think one of the quiet reasons people stop writing is the feeling that someone might be watching. Not literally, not always consciously, just the sense that the words are no longer alone with you. Even when no one is reading, there's a version of an audience that forms in the mind, an imagined response, an invisible listener, a future moment where the writing might need to explain itself. I felt that pressure long before I ever shared anything publicly. It showed up as hesitation, as editing before the sentence was finished, as the urge to make the page sound like it knew where it was going. Today's page is resisting that. I'm writing as if no one will ever hear this, as if the words don't need to survive outside the moment they are written, as if the page doesn't have to represent me accurately. That's harder than it sounds. We live in a time where expression is almost always performative, where thoughts are shaped with response in mind, where even vulnerability is measured by how well it lands. Writing without an audience means letting go of that measurement. It means allowing yourself to be unclear, to contradict yourself, to write something you wouldn't stand by tomorrow and not correct it. When I started this channel, this was one of the things I was most careful about. I didn't want my writing practice to turn into something I had to maintain for visibility. I didn't want consistency to mean constant exposure. Because the moment writing becomes content first, it loses something essential. It stops being a place you can rest. There are days when I write and don't show you the page. Though those days when the writing happens quietly, without framing, without narration. Those days matter just as much, maybe more, because they remind me that the page doesn't belong to the audience, it belongs to the moment. To me, writing without an audience isn't about secrecy, it's about freedom. Freedom from being legible, freedom from being impressive, freedom from turning your inner life into something consumable. Some of the most important writing in history was never meant to be seen. Letters never sent, journals never edited, margins filled with thoughts that didn't know they were becoming anything. Those pages weren't failures, they were honest. If you're finding it hard to write lately, it might not be because you've run out of words. It might be because you're imagining someone listening. So today, I'm giving myself permission to write like no one is here. No reaction, no archive, no future use. Just one page, written slowly, allowed to be unfinished. If you're writing alongside me, you don't need to share it, you don't need to explain it. You don't need to make it meaningful to anyone else. Let the page be unobserved. Some things only tell the truth when they believe they are alone. One page without an audience, and that today is where the writing feels safest.